Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Jelly.
And I'm David. We're really happy you're here today.
Today's topic is very simple and very useful. We're talking about your plans.
Yes, your plans for today, tomorrow, or the future.
Don't worry, this is easy English.
Beginner friendly, step by step.
Before we start, quick reminder. If you like learning English with us,
Please like this episode, subscribe to the channel.
and share it with a friend who is learning English.
All right, let's start.
What are plans?
Good question. Plans are things you want to do in the future.
Future means not now, later, today, tomorrow, next week.
Exactly. For example, I plan to study English.
Nice and simple. Let's repeat together.
I plan to study English.
Good job. Let's say it again.
I plan to study English.
Using I am going to. Now, let's learn a very common phrase. I am going to.
Yes, I am going to is very popular in daily English.
Example, I am going to eat lunch.
Simple sentence, real life.
Listen again. I am going to eat lunch.
Your turn. Say it out loud.
Good job. You're doing great.
More examples.
Okay, I am going to sleep early.
Nice. I am going to watch TV.
I am going to call my friend.
All very normal sentences.
Yes, these are sentences real people use. Using tomorrow.
Now let's add a time word, tomorrow.
Example, I am going to work tomorrow.
Repeat after me. I am going to work tomorrow.
Great. Say it one more time.
I am going to work tomorrow.
Perfect. Mini conversation. Listen first.
Now listen to a short conversation.
Just listen. No pressure.
Jelly, what are you going to do tomorrow?
I am going to study English. What about you?
I am going to work and then relax.
Discuss the conversation. Very easy, right?
Yes, 2 simple questions, 2 simple answers.
Let's break it down.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
And the answer, I am going to study English.
You can change the action.
Study, work, sleep, eat.
Listen again. Repeat. I am going to study English.
Pause and answer. Great answer. Any answer is okay.
Using next week.
Now, let's talk about next week. Example, next week, I am going to visit my family.
Nice and clear. Repeat with us. Next week, I am going to visit my family.
Good job. You're improving already.
Common beginner mistake.
Quick tip. Don't worry about being perfect.
Yes, simple English is good English.
Even this is okay. I going to work.
It's not perfect, but people understand you.
Confidence is more important.
Mini conversation. Listen again.
David, what are your plans for tonight?
I am going to eat dinner and rest.
Sounds nice. Encouragement. If you understood that, amazing job.
Really, you are learning.
Small steps every day.
Quick practice round. Answer in your head or out loud.
What are you going to do today?
Pause.
Great answer.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
Nice. Keep going. Okay, David, let's continue talking about plans.
Yes.
Today we'll practice short answers.
Short answers are easy.
They help you speak faster.
For example, what are you going to do today?
Short answer, I'm going to work.
Very good. Simple and clear.
Listen again. I'm going to work.
Now you try. Say it out loud.
Good job. You're speaking English.
Using I'm going to. Short form.
I'm able to be more short.
We say I'm going to.
Example, I'm going to eat.
Repeat with us. I'm going to eat. Nice. Say it again.
I'm going to eat.
Real life examples.
Let's give more real examples.
I'm going to take a shower.
I'm going to watch YouTube.
I'm gonna rest.
All very normal English.
Yes, you can use these today.
Listen first. Mini dialogue.
David, what are you gonna do after this?
I'm going to drink water and relax.
Sounds good. Explain slowly.
Let's look at the question.
What are you going to do after this?
Answer starts with, I'm going to
Drink, eat, sleep, relax. Easy verbs.
practice together. Listen and repeat.
What are you going to do tonight?
Pause. Answer.
Great answer.
Even one word is okay.
Using time words.
Now let's add time words.
Today,
Tonight.
tomorrow. Example, I'm going to study tonight.
Repeat. I'm going to study tonight.
Nice pronunciation.
Encouragement moment. If this feels easy, that's good.
That means you are learning,
English grows slowly.
and you're doing it right.
Listen again. Natural talk.
Jelly, what are you going to do tomorrow morning?
I'm going to wake up early and walk.
Very healthy.
Quick speaking round. Answer quickly.
What are you going to do after dinner?
Pause. Nice answer. What are you going to do on the weekend?
Good job. Keep speaking.
Okay, David. Today we talk about next week.
Yes.
Next week plans. Not today, not tomorrow.
Next week means 7 days later.
Good. Very clear. Key phrase introduction.
The key phrase is, next week, I am going to.
Listen again. Next week, I am going to.
Simple future.
Simple English. First example.
Example, next week, I am going to work.
Repeat with us. Next week, I am going to work.
Good job.
Say it one more time,
Next week, I am going to work.
using short form.
Now the short form, I'm going to.
Example. Next week, I'm going to work.
Repeat, next week, I'm going to work.
Nice. Very natural. More real life examples.
Let's add more actions.
Next week, I'm going to study English.
Good plan.
Next week, I'm going to visit my family.
Nice and real.
Next week, I'm going to rest more.
I like that plan.
Listen only. Mini dialogue.
Jelly, what are you going to do next week?
Next week, I'm going to study and practice English.
That's a great plan.
Slow explanation. Let's break it down.
Question, what are you going to do next week?
Answers starts with, next week, I'm going to
Then add an action.
work, study, travel, rest.
Repeat practice.
Listen and repeat. What are you going to do next week?
Pause. Answer.
Great answer. Adding days.
Now let's add days.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Example, next week on Monday, I'm going to work.
Repeat. Next week on Monday, I'm going to work.
Nice.
More day examples. Next week on Friday, I'm going to relax.
Good sentence.
Next week on Sunday, I'm going to visit my parents.
Very natural English.
Encouragement.
If this feels slow, that's okay.
Slow English is good English.
You are learning step by step.
Good job for staying with us. Common beginner question. David, what if I don't know exact plans?
Good question.
Yes, very important.
You can say, I'm not sure.
Example, next week, I'm not sure.
Or, I think I'm going to work.
Using I think is very useful.
Example, next week, I think I'm going to travel.
Repeat. Next week, I think I'm going to travel.
Perfect.
Listen again. Natural talk.
David, what are your plans next week?
Next week, I think I'm going to work and rest.
Sounds good.
Quick speaking round. Your turn now.
What are you going to do next week?
Pause.
Nice answer.
Any answer is good. Adding places.
Home, office, market.
Example, next week, I'm going to the office.
Repeat. Next week, I'm going to the office.
More place examples.
Next week, I'm going to the market.
Next week, I'm going to my friend's house.
Very real English.
Mistake-friendly moment. It's okay to make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes mean learning.
Speak first.
Fix later.
Longer answer practice.
Now a longer answer. Next week, I'm going to work, study English, and rest.
Repeat slowly.
Next week, I'm going to work, study English, and rest.
Excellent. Yes-no practice.
Short questions now.
Are you going to work next week?
Yes, I am.
Or, no, I'm not.
Repeat. Yes, I am.
No, I'm not. Listen again. Yes-no dialogue.
Listen, are you going to travel next week?
No, I'm not. I'm going to work.
Very clear.
Confidence boost. You are speaking about the future.
That's amazing.
Many learners fear the future tense.
But you're doing it.
Final practice round. Answer these.
What are you going to do next week?
Pause.
Great.
Where are you going next week?
Nice.
Wrap up.
Let's recap today's key phrases.
I plan to.
I am going to.
Tomorrow.
Next week.
These phrases help you talk about the future.
Easy future. Real English.
You don't need big grammar.
You just need practice.
Community question.
Now we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, What are you going to do tomorrow morning?
Simple answer is perfect.
We read your comments. Let's remember today's phrases.
I am going to,
Tonight,
tomorrow.
short sentences are powerful.
They help you speak without fear.
Community question.
Now your turn.
Tell us in the comments, what are you going to do tonight?
Simple English is perfect.
Let's remember today's key phrases.
Next week, I am going to.
I think I'm going to.
Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
Simple future.
Real English.
Community question.
Now tell us in the comments.
What are you going to do next week?
One sentence is perfect.
We can't wait to read your answers. Closing.
Thanks for practicing with us.
You are improving every day.
Keep speaking.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.